The effort project covers several themes, and an important one is to try to see the association between what factors, in fact, on farm are more associated with an increased use of antimicrobials. That is an important factor because that gives input for how we can intervene. Other factors are that we look for economic aspects, welfare aspects, and also for future ways to measure antimicrobial resistance. And of course, it's all focusing on giving evidence-based information for people working in policy and people also working in the industry. I think very important from the project now is that we do not have public available outputs at the moment, but very important is that we finally managed to get all the samples from all the countries, and what is a tremendous job in the project. And in fact, I'm quite proud that we managed to do that in the project and getting quite difficult samples sometimes that has to be frozen, has to be managed, and that all the analysis has been done, and now we started looking for all these results and see how the factors can be associated. Main obstacle is, I think, the field work. That is always a very, can be a very big problem. In fact, it was also, and you are always too optimistic about the time frame because there are delays in this case. For example, we had animal diseases that came through in certain countries and that we were not able to visit farms, and you have to find your way around this. But finally we did, and so we were with a slight delay, but we were successful to get all the information in time. There will be a public event, and that is the final meeting that we organize at the end of next year, but it's just before the end of the project. That's open for policymakers, also for scientists, and there we will make all our information public available. So we have a newsletter, and you can follow us on LinkedIn and on Twitter. And if you have additional questions, you can find on our website the contact form, and there you can ask your questions for us.